Cody, Logan, how are we doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Awesome, doing good. So obviously just want to know a little bit more about you guys. And, first off, where do you guys go to school and how did you find out about the Rocket Drones program?
I'm from Pleasant Grove, and I found out through 4-H.
Hey, cool.
I'm homeschooled and I had nothing to do with drones. And then Mr. Jeremy came in and he's like, well, we're going to learn drones. So I had to learn something new.
That's awesome. And, what was your first thoughts when you kind of found the Rocket Drones program?
It was cool and very interesting.
I was kind of confused about it. And Mr. J was kind of like pushing for it. He's like, it's a modern era. So things are going to start evolving. And I'm real old school about things. And he's like, well, I'm going to push you out your comfort zone a little bit. And I'm going to teach you to do this and how to redo the drones. And I was like, yes, sir. So we just kind of took it from there.
That's too cool. Well, did it start with the first flight or was it the simulator? Like, what was kind of your first steps, and was it a little overwhelming, or what was your first thoughts?
It was probably going to have to be the simulator. I had not a clue on how to set it up or anything, and I was asking people how to do it, and yes, sir.
Did you enjoy that sim, or was it a learning curve?
It was a real learning curve because I've never been into games or anything like that, so it was kind of like, how do I do this?
Nice. And what about you? What about your first times?
So I started on the simulator, and I really wasn't that good at it. Still learning on the simulator, but I still fly some drones around it. It was hard the first time, but then I'm trying to kind of get in the hang of it.
It's like a fine sport, It takes a lot of practice to get good at something that's so manual and so technical, but that's really cool to hear. Now, when did you start really getting hooked on it, and how did that kind of occur? Or like, what part in the Rocket Drones process was it like, okay, this is really speaking to me?
It was when I started really flying and doing it most all the time I was there before meetings.
What was it that you were really enjoying? Was it the mindset of just focusing on one thing, or was it what you could do with it, like going under things, or?
It was mostly what you could do with it and the mindset.
That's so cool.
I would have to say I really got involved in it when Mr. J had told me, well, we're doing it. So I was like, well, I guess I'll give it a shot. I had other options, but I thought this one was pretty cool. So I said I'd try something new. And when we did, he said, well, I just got some stuff to learn. So I started reading about him and doing all the history of drones on how they were first started, and then did the simulations. And then after we did that, he said, well, we're going on a trip. I said, where are we going? He said, we're going to go work on drones. I'm going to teach you something. Well, I'm not going to teach something. He's going to have people teach me stuff. So I was like, all right, well, I'm up to learn something new. And now I'm fixing drones every week almost.
That's so cool. I love to hear that. Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
So after you fixed your first couple drones, was it kind of obvious, like, okay, when you're running into another problem, you felt even more comfortable than before?
Yes, sir, most definitely.
Oh, cool.
The website was very helpful, very self-explanatory.
Love to hear that. Awesome. Now, have you started repairing drones yet?
Not yet, but I would be flying on that last week, actually. I'd fly them and I'd give them to him, and I'd say what I think wrong with them. He was like, you're correct.
That's awesome. I hear you. Well, that's the next chapter, because obviously we do crash them, we do repair them, and then we get back up in the air just like riding a bike. So, well, very cool. What are your future thoughts about drones and how this might affect where you're thinking about your future and stuff like that?
Well, I want to be in the law enforcement, and I think it would be a real thing helping out, because it provides more error coverage than a human being could.
Yeah, no, absolutely. That's cool.
For my path, I'd like to say I'd probably want to go into lineman, so electrical and all that. And I've been able to witness how they do it with the drones and all that. And I think that if I had the knowledge to be able to learn to do it, then I could most definitely be able to say, hey, I can do that, or I'm certified for that. Help me out in the long run.
That's awesome. That's awesome, guys. Well, very cool. Well, any thoughts or things that you might want to say to someone or some of the students that are looking to get into drones or rocket drones in general?
Practice will help.
Love it.
Definitely leap out of your comfort zone and try to find something new.
Awesome, guys. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
Good
job.
Thank you.
Thank you.